Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So back in the day, mainly from Windows 95 through to Windows XP, we used to get this error worm or trailing worm that was a rendering glitch, also known as a ghost Windows. Now, no, this is not Windows XP I'm running, and no, this is not the actual worm. This is actually a website that you can head over to, where you can actually just play around with this a little bit. If you've got a couple of minutes to spare, or if you've got a couple of minutes on hand, and this just kind of takes us down memory lane and gives us a couple of the trailing worms that could be seen back in the day, as mentioned on those legacy OSs. Now, how this will all work basically is it's actually a website, and by hitting F11 we can exit out of that full screen web page, and it's called the Windows XP error worm. That's the official name. And I'll leave a link to this website down below. Now, this is following on from a video I posted at the end of June, where there was a web page that could show you a selection of update screens ranging from Windows 98 through to Windows 11 that were basically false blue screens of death and update screens that you could prank your friends with, and I will leave that video down below as well. So I thought, just to continue on from that, just a kind of fun video, nothing really too serious here to end off the day. And how this all works is, as mentioned, I'll leave this web page down below. So you click on the link, you open up the web page, and to make it more realistic, you hit F11, and that opens it up in full screen. And then, as mentioned, you just click on your screen, and then you can just drag the so-called error worm or trailing worm around, and you can click each of those randomly as well. And then to clear, you can push and press R on your keyboard, or you can click on erase worm here in the taskbar, and if you click on that, it will erase those that rendering glitch, as it was also known. And something else you can do is you can cycle through a couple of the older nostalgic apps and cause the same trailing worm effect and that error worm effect. So yeah, you can change window, click on this in the bottom left, click on that, and now you'll see we've got Internet Explorer, and it does the same thing. Let's erase that worm. Let's click on another one. Now we've got the old Windows Task Manager in XP, and you get the idea. So you can fiddle, change windows, and you can erase those, and you can play around to your heart's content. But I just wanted to bring that to your attention, just as a little bit of a fun aspect, following on from that fake Windows update video I did post on about a month or so ago. And this is the old rendering glitch we used to see back in the day, mainly from Windows 95 through to Windows XP, known as the error worm or the ghost Windows, as some used to call it. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.